How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before I get started with this video, I would like to thank all my loyal old subscribers, all my new subscribers, and anybody that's just watching this for the first time. If you're thinking about becoming a subscriber, please do. Alright, with that being said, alright, we had a model contest, a model show in Fort Smith, Arkansas at the Hobby Town. And that was on April 24th. That was last Saturday. And I went to that. And last year, if you remember, Ed from Ed's Attention to Detail and Ernie, his wife, they'd come down and went to it. But this year they had prior engagements. They had a thing they had to do in Hot Springs. But maybe next time they can make it. But Aaron from the Frayed Brush, he did make it, and he was there last year too. And so we met up and we went to the show and stuff. And he's already put a video up of the show, but I'm gonna go ahead and put one up too. And if y'all are not subscribed to Aaron, I will leave the link in the description below. And please get over there. And he's the Frayed Brush. He's a figure painter. He does all kind of awesome stuff, and he also does some 3D printing and stuff. I mean, he's flat out awesome, and you might recognize his Mandalorian if you follow him. If you don't, he did the Mandalorian figure, and you'll see it in the video. And also, let's see, I think I got 1, 2, and 3 in my category, which was automotive stock. And my little niece goes with me every year, and we sit down and we build a model, and I help her. And last year she got second place. Well, this year she got first place in her youth division for the little Ford Ranchero, which you'll see on here. And then she also got a trophy for People's Choice Junior. So really proud of her. McKinley, proud of you. Okay, with that being said, I'll turn. Oh, well, yeah, and two, they had a little raffle or whatever. You know, you could buy raffle tickets, and I think I bought like 30 raffle tickets, and I finally won there at the end. And Tim, this is what I won. Look at here, buddy. It's the Indianapolis 500. Let's see, Hall of Fame set, and it has a Watson. Let's see, what's that called? Watson Roadster. It's got an Offenhauser engine. It's got a McLaren. And it's got one of my favorite cars of all time, whether it's Formula One or Indy or just Lotus in general. Lotus is like one of my favorite cars. And this was a little Lotus right here. And the box is still sealed. It's from like 1988 or... It's, yep, 1988. Still sealed. The plastic's been on there so long it's caving the box in right there, but I'm sure everything's fine in there. I haven't opened it yet, but that was the very last drawing, and I won that. And I think Aaron won. He won a dragon figure to paint. So we all had a good time. It was a good model show, and they're just trying to get it to grow bigger. It's small right now. And then we had, let's see, I think there was a Little Rock chapter down there that come down. Case was the name of their chapter from Little Rock, Jacksonville, Little Rock, somewhere around in there. And they're going to have a show in, I think, September. So I'm going to try to make their show, as long as it's my day off or whatever. I'm going to try to make that show. So we had a pretty good turnout compared to last year, and it's just only getting bigger. So, all right, please watch. Thank you. How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm here at the Hobbytown Model Show, and we're here in Fort Smith, Arkansas, and we'll go inside and we'll check out what's going on.